Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
A winter storm is going to be moving in tomorrow and staying for Thanksgiving with another potentially this weekend. But there will be some windows where it's a little quieter for travel. Right now, we are seeing some areas of drizzle and mist and fog, some lower visibility in spots. That likely will continue at times overnight tonight, staying mild with rounds of rain. It's Wednesday that much colder temperatures arrive, and then they just stay for Thursday and Friday. We're expecting powerful winds, especially Wednesday. Some of that will linger into Thanksgiving itself. And speaking of into Thanksgiving, we expect snow to start accumulating Wednesday night with more accumulation on Thanksgiving itself. So this winter storm really is going to pack a punch. We have wind alerts for all of West Michigan and really the entire lower peninsula for gusts up near 45 miles per hour. Lakeshore communities, you're most likely to see those wind gusts upwards of 50 miles per hour. Wouldn't be surprised if we saw some 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. So these are the folks especially that have to watch for power outage potential tomorrow. And unfortunately, if you lose power on Wednesday, it might be really difficult for crews to restore power because we have breezy conditions sticking around for Thursday and the chances of snow. Winter alerts go into effect tomorrow morning. We have winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings. The reason for the two different types of alerts has to do with how much snow we're expecting. Because some of this is going to be falling as lake effect, we do expect some bullseyes of heavier snow in spots. So one of the bullseyes that's likely going to have the biggest impact for us here in West Michigan is going to be in Van Buren, Kalamazoo County, Allegan County. Some of this might reach into Kent County at times. We also have portions of Newaygo County and Muskegon that could see 5 to 8 inches of fresh snow by the time we get to Friday morning. So with the wind, with the snow, here's what we're looking for in terms of travel impacts. Wednesday morning, it's going to be windy, especially for those folks traveling north-south with the wind out of the west. But in terms of travel impact, hazards are a little bit lower. Midday, as we transition to snow, that hazard level increases. And Wednesday evening, I think, is going to be the most difficult commute time because that's when we expect the cold air to rush in. Right now, still 47 in Grand Rapids, but the cold air is going to be streaming in very quickly. Temperatures dropping through the morning. So here's your futurecast tomorrow at about 10 a.m. Start to transition to rain to snow. By 1 to 3, I think sloppy accumulation. And by nightfall, I think we could start to see some really rough conditions, especially on secondary roads. Plows should be able to keep up a bit more on Thanksgiving itself. Air temperatures near 31, so that does make salt effective. Friday, a lull in the action and the wind. And then, yes, potentially another system coming out of Saturday into Sunday. Still a little bit to be decided with this system. So we'll continue to keep you updated, but in general, get ready for a lot of wintry weather here over the next few days.